report. Smoke on.
All right, this is Mike in the L29. I'm going to take off 26. All right, just over 300 miles an hour, making 400 miles an hour. About 420 miles an hour. Here we go with a Q&A. All right, I'm already up at 5,000 feet. Up and out at 6,000. Do a half roll here.
Real hard to hear you. I'm in the middle of the music, but I'm trying.
Just finishing the half Cuban.
Again.
On schedule, finishing the half Cuban, and I'll be doing an implement at the west end of the runway.
Got it.
And we're going to top out extra high. I'm up here at 7,000 feet. We're going to give you a couple rolls, and we should look at a split S at the east end of the aerobatic box. Okay, a slight bump up, a half roll, and here comes the split S. We're going to let this thing come all the way down to the bottom altitude. Now comes the Humpty bump. All right, I'm up through 8,000 feet, and we're going to go ahead and pull her down. Looks like we're going to top out at about, well, correction, 8,500. Straight down, and got a lot of energy, so we're going to keep on moving with a half reverse Cuban. Another split S type maneuver, coming back for just a loop with a different twist. Loop with a twist on top.
I'm a real wild one, wild one.
Okay, watch close. We're up here at about 5,500 feet. Here comes the twist.
Very nice.
Pulling about 5 to 6 G's as we come down the bottom here. I'll come right back at you with a vertical maneuver straight up. Capping off, I'm up here at 8,500 feet. We'll do a few rolls out to the east. I'm going to reposition down low, give you 4 or 5 passes of the low show. I've already got 7 G's on my G meter. I'm going to offset a little bit here from the crowd. Got the speed up around 300. And in a barrel roll, the key is to get yourself up, and we're just rolling about a point out here on my left side of my windscreen. All right, I need everybody's help because I'm coming back for a 4-point roll. 4 points. Right, here we go.
Okay, looks good.
All right, now I need all your help. We're going to try an 8-point roll. 8 points to keep it in this little tight aerobatic box, only 5,000 feet long.
You could try 16.
I think a better thing is let's go 3 times 4. Let's do a 12-point roll. I need everybody's help to help me count. 12-point roll.
We're going to see a 16-point roll.
Whoa, just got that one in.
Just got that one in. All right, we'll wait for your high-speed pass and...
All right, this is for a couple of folks that asked for a high-speed pass. Let me get a little altitude. We'll try and whip by at a good, fast clip. And we'll pull up, do a couple rolls for the end. I got it pushed up to 100% on the RPM. Here we come, high-speed pass. Already over 400. That's ground speed, 400 knots up to 4. Yeah, looks like about 440, 450.
All right, you can do it about 450.
All right, that's it for Mike. It's been my pleasure performing down here for you folks at Redlands. Remember, this is the sound of freedom. This and that propeller noise. That's why we're here in America, free, living the dream. It's going to take me a few minutes to cool it down and get slowed down for landing, but I'll be right up front probably in about 4 more minutes.
Of course, like any fighter pilot, he's got his speed jeans on, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Gotta have speed jeans. What you're seeing there, folks, that's a G-suit. Fighter aircraft, when they wear that, suit plugs into the aircraft like the L-29 will actually inflate air flags in there so the Mike can pull these extreme G's and hold them for an even longer period of time. Come on over to the line, shake Mike's hand, sign autograph, and get a couple pictures taken with him.
It's pretty hot in there. You see how sweaty I got?
Yeah, you don't have air conditioning, huh?
Well, it doesn't work very well. Non-existent. Oh, it's a nice. I'm glad you guys came out to watch. J-A-Y-N. Oh, really? My birthday's tomorrow. Wow. Let me write down happy birthday. So I was 20 years old, and I started flying right about then, right? 20 years old. But you can start at 14.
You flew at 4?
Yes, I did. In Air Force. For 15 years, too. All right, thanks. Great
Show. I got some good pictures of you.
Super. All right, we're done.